is Department 40, Week 11 Modular. It contains the aromatherapy fixture and product. This is box 1 of 2. There's 2 different pieces that you have to assemble, and together they're 48 inches. I'll show you how to assemble the 2 aromatherapy fixtures. So you're going to open the box. So we're going to take out one of the boxes. One of 2. Lay it out. So when you open the box, one of 2, you're going to first see the 9 steps of how to assemble this. And then please find these little bolts that will bolt the fixture down to the shelf. So when you look at the 9 steps, it'll show you how to put together each part. Also, it'll show you each product that is going on the fixture. You will also have the display. So here's the label. You see on the side, there's a skinny little slot. You're going to stick this in right where it fits in this skinny little slot. And once you do this, you'll know where all the products go. Here's box number 2. And this one will have the product that's going inside. It's going to be displayed in the fixture. So once you open it, you'll see all of the product boxes. The sheet that will show where each product is displayed on the fixture, and I will show you as well. So, with the honeycomb diffuser. Oops. When you open the box, these little dividers might not be in the right place. So you want to make sure that this side and this side both fit in the little slot. That will make sure that each product is securely stored. So I'll do that one, and then I'll show you this one and do the same. And for these oils, they're all the same size. And so you want to make sure that they're all evenly placed. Here's the price channel. And you're going to get the very back of it, the slim part, and stick it right in the little slot in front of where each oil is placed. And then you're able to see where each oil will be placed. Fixture 2 of 2 is going to look like once all the product is in the display. Here's Guru Nanda's contact information. The sticker comes in the box as well, and it will be placed in the very back for your guys' benefit. This is the final look that will be displayed on the shelf. This is both two boxes put together to create the 48-inch display.